Hello! We have arrived at my streaming setup today, you guys, because I'm too sick to do anything but put on some makeup today. I'm really sick. This cold got me. I actually did a second COVID test. It was not COVID again, so I am just regular person sick here today, but I figured this would be a fun opportunity to just create a beautiful holiday makeup look calmly and just have a very nice relaxing makeup video today, which I used to do so many relaxing style makeup videos and then I stopped being as relaxing. So let's do one today. I'm going to be taking this Rom and Cushion Compact in the shade New Zero Cushion 21 Pure. I sometimes fit the 21 shade, and sometimes it's just a little too cool tone for me. This one falls in the little too cool tone side, and it really depends on the brand, to be honest. But this is my first Rom and Cushion. I actually really do love it. It's just, yeah, it's a little too light for me. But then it's weird because sometimes the 23 shades are too yellowy or orange. I'm sorry if the light levels change a bit during this video. It's one of those sun and cloud days. My god, I'm so sick, you guys. Like, what the heck? I miss doing fun makeup tutorials. I don't know why. I don't do them more often. Like, I stopped doing makeup tutorials for a long time because they were just performing so badly. No one wanted to watch them, but I feel like that's changing. I feel like we're all getting into makeup a little bit again. Oh, my facial oil got in my front hair so much today. Oh no. I always wipe the excess foundation off from around my lips because if I leave it on, it makes my lips look super, super small. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Snow. On the under eyes. Honestly, guys, all I want to do today is play Genshin Impact. Oh, for all my Genshin Impact crew out there, what is with this lighting? I'm so sorry. I logged in today. My pity was so high. Like, my pity was so high. I went 3 months without pulling, like, a main 5-star character from a banner. And I was trying to pull, too. I was trying to pull. My pity was so high. And the third wish I made, I got Scaramouche, or Wanderer. And like, overall, there's so much hype out there for Wanderer and Scaramouche. And like, for me, I could care less because I don't like boy characters, like little boys. Give me the handsome gentleman. Okay, handsome gentleman all around. That's always been my go-to. Like, I've always, even like when I was a kid and used to watch anime, I was always like simping for the handsome gentleman, like the older the older men. Okay. So I'm not for these like chibi like little boy characters, but of course I played the demo of Scaramouche and his gameplay is so good. I was like, all right, I'm for it. I'm for it. I'll take another little boy character. I have so many of them. I'll take it. Let me know in the comments section how many of you guys play Genshin Impact. It's pretty much the only game I play, but mind you, I have been playing a little bit of Animal Crossing again at nighttime. Coffee, 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 coffee. This blush in the color Wine. This is my Rom and contour. It's the second time I've purchased this. I love it so much. It's in the shade 2. I'm gonna be creating like eye bags, even though like I didn't need to do this at all. I could have just like, you know, not put concealer on because my eye bags are so fierce today. This could end up looking really bad, by the way. Same color on the eyelid. Mm. So you see this like spot right here? I have like a patch of rough skin there, and like no matter what I do, I always get blotchy makeup right here. It's the craziest thing. I guess we're doing like sick girl makeup today. Just call me Death. Going in with the same contour, I'm just contouring my nose. Taking this super thin and fine synthetic liner brush and my Nude by Nature kohl pencil in espresso, and I'm extending my eye bag just from where it naturally ends, because I already have an eye bag naturally, but it ends over here, so I'm just extending it. It helps if while you're doing it you like kind of squint your eyes so you can see where your natural eye bag is. And then I'm going to be taking that and putting it right corners of my mouth. Taking this Majorca Jeweling Eyes quad in the shade BR792. I originally bought this while I was living in Japan, I think. No, was it Korea? Anyway, I'm taking the really shimmery white creamy shade. I'm using that to highlight my brow bone and inner corner today. I've hit that point of being sick where I'm no longer breathing through my nose successfully. I'm just dusting it from the inner corner and a little bit onto the eyelid. Just a smidge. And I'm also placing it all along my nose bridge as well. I have a really high and defined upper nose bridge, so I like to kind of brighten it up a little bit so it doesn't look too heavy. And taking the same shade to the brow bone. It's really nice and gentle looking. Taking it for the nose tip, nostrils, and then also right on the Cupid's bow. For my eyebrows, I'm taking my Heroin Make Quick Brow in the shade, I think it's 3, yep. Just on the sparse areas of my brow. Taking my Heavy Rotation Coloring Brow in the shade A04, it's a Japanese eyebrow mascara. I'm just really lightly going to go over my brow hairs, trying not to touch my skin. It's like a perfect match for my hair color. I love it. Sometimes I think about like how fun it would be to go super duper blonde, but like super duper blonde, it looks so bad on me. I feel like when I don't have any makeup on. I feel like when I'm super duper blonde, I need makeup or I just kind of look like bad. I'm going to move on to my eyeliner segment now. I'm going in with that same Nude by Nature kohl pencil as I used before. And I'm just going to use it to create a chubby wing at the end. And I'm going to stop like a quarter of the way on my eyelid. Because I feel like when I do a full, complete winged eyeliner, it makes my eyes look so round, and it's just too round for my liking. I'm like, who is she? So I'm just gonna create a really chubby wing, and then I'm gonna do the inner waterline just until where my eyelashes start to get dense. I'm really happy it's sunny-ish today, you guys, because it hasn't been sunny in so long here. It's been so rainy and miserable. I'm going to take the back end, it's like a spongy sponge, and I'm just going to buff out the upper edge of that chubby wing we made. So it's a little smoky. Only the upper portion of it though, nothing else. Going into my Too Faced Born This Way palette, the Natural Nude palette, I'm going to be taking the shade called Truffle. It's that dark one at the bottom right there, with a eyeliner brush. And I'm just going to be going over the eyeliner to help set it and to deepen it a little bit. But I'm trying to avoid where I previously smudged as well. I cannot breathe without it burning inside like fire. I'm just gonna do the whatever's left over on the inner waterline. I'm just gonna lightly buff the edges where we had that shadow we just placed. Did it make a huge difference? Not really. Well, getting a little sweaty. Coffee, 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 coffee. Delish. Whoa, I totally forgot. Totally forgot to contour my face. I need to start mewing again to strengthen my like here. I'm gonna take this. I'm obsessed with this. I showed you guys it in the last Vlogmas episode where I did my makeup a little bit. Yeah, it's the Misha. It doesn't even say Misha on here. It does. It's the Misha Glitter Prism Liquid in the shade 2. It's the prettiest thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm just gonna blot that on the center of my eye for the glitters. A little bit on the center lower. And then lately I really like also, whoa, that's too much. So like putting a smidge right on the outer corner. And then again on the inner corner, of course. It's just like so pretty, right? I love it. Oh my gosh, too much. Whoa, this one eye is like hardcore glittery compared to the other eye. Oh no. Get some extra here. Right. Maybe is this like too much glitter? Maybe. Oh well. I like it. Kind of want to put on like fake eyelashes a little bit today. I'm going to be using my Majolica Lash Expander mascara. I usually use Lash King, but I can't find it anywhere. Well, when I was looking for a new mascara, I couldn't find it anywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna curl my lashes. I have this brown eyeliner that's like drying out by Heroin Make. I'm gonna try to draw some fake lashes if it's not too dry. Oh, it's really dry. It's really dry. Fun. The one side didn't turn out as good, but that's okay. Got these lashes off Amazon that I've been meaning to use for like DIY eyelash extensions, but I haven't gotten around to it. But that's okay because you can totally use them for like not DIY eyelash extensions. That's what I'm gonna do today. Hopefully it goes well. I'm just gonna add like 3 to give that dolly eye effect. It's just the Kiss eyelash glue. To be honest, I haven't found like the perfect eyelash glue for me ever, but I do personally like the type that have the brush applicator. I'm just gonna stick it right like before the middle. And then another one for in the middle. They're like a little spaced out. And then I'll take one for the end. Oh, this one's cut poorly. Fun. For the lips, I'm going to be taking MAC's Strip Down. It's kind of smushed, don't mind that. I'm going to fill in the gap between my Cupid's bow. And then just lightly line the Cupid's bow itself. The outer corners while filling them in. And taking my finger, I'm going to smudge it inwards. Just generally softening the lines in general, because I have a naturally prominent vermilion border, which is the ridge between your lip and your natural skin, like your face skin. So like harsh lip liner lines on me look very bad. But I'm going to be going in with my new favorite. Wait, is this the right one? Yeah. Yes. New favorite lip tint. It's the Rum and Dewy Full Water Tint in the shade 12 Canyon. They discontinued my favorite color. It was the Glasting Water Tint in Pumpkin Brown. I went through 2 of those. But this one's like the closest similar shade to that one. I think that's it. I think that's the look, you guys. What do we think? Sorry that this video is really different from my usual very chatty type of content. This is very much like my old early YouTube day videos where I didn't talk so much. I'm not talking because I don't want to, because it's very difficult. It's very difficult. I'm so sick. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these kind of makeup tutorial videos, let me know. I kind of want to start making more of those. I really am having fun with them these days. Let me know. And I will see you guys in the next Vlogmas episode. If I'm more sick tomorrow, I might skip a day. But otherwise, thank you. For anyone new here, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel with the notification bell turned on, or else YouTube most likely will not suggest my videos to you guys again. If you found this video in your recommended or home feed, that means there's only a 3% chance you guys will probably see my videos again. So if you want to make sure you see more and join our wonderful community and family over here, then definitely hit that subscribe button with the notification bell. Also, all my other social medias are linked in the description box down below. You can catch me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Discord, Twitch, doing live streams on Twitch. And so much more. On this channel, you'll find the occasional makeup tutorial, as well as skincare routines and suggestions, as well as day in the lifestyle vlogs and videos with what I eat in the day, just hanging out with me during the day, going out and exploring new places and things like that. So definitely join our community here if that sounds like your cup of tea, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.